Yeah, okay, this is Dirk Ferguson. I'm about to attempt a stunt that only a legend can attempt. Jumping over the American flag. Okay, higher. Yeah, higher. Higher.
Hey, you guys gotta come see this.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, higher. That's good. That's good. Right there. That's good. You ready?
Close the ramps up.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Think I know what the problem was. Man wasn't tall enough. That's right. Need a taller man, so I'm gonna rethink this one. Okay.
We can totally do better.
Totally beat that.
Okay. We are going to attempt what only a legend or legends should attempt. Two of us will jump over that bus. Okay.
You okay?
Okay.
You okay?
I know what we did wrong.
Me too. Next time we need 3 motorcycles.
3 motorcycles.
3.
Okay.
You okay?
Okay.